To connect, pull the sleeve back and insert the plug. The sleeve locks the plug in place. To release, pull the sleeve back and the plug should be released. To connect, push the plug into the coupling. The audible click lets the operator know that it's safely connected. To release, pull the sleeve in the direction of the plug. The plug should come out safely. For convenience and safety, the D-Series allows for a one-handed disconnect. Grab the sleeve and pull the sleeve toward the plug.